Alright guys, how are we doing? Warm-up's kicking off, here we go.
Beats.com.
So, at the weekend, I had a competition just at home in Leeds, and before I kind of like planned to film the day and do like another day in a live video. To make like a good film like that, you know, you need the diving to actually go well. With our sport being what it's like, the diving doesn't always go well, and sometimes you have a bad day, and when you have bad dives in a video like that, it doesn't look very good. So I did the competition and my dives weren't great, but I did learn a lot from the competition. But it also made me kind of realise what I want to do with this channel and these YouTube videos. And it's not about like me acting, because I'm not an actor. I'm not one of those people who has like a completely different personality in front of a camera. What it is about is the journey, and my journey is for the next 3 years now, up until the next chance to qualify for the Olympics. The same thing it was back in 2012, where it was a journey up until the 2016 Olympics, but this time I just want to actually document it, because I have quite a unique story to tell. With regards to the competition, as I say, it didn't go as well as I wanted it to go. I used some of my more difficult dives, and sometimes you have to take that risk, especially at competitions like this one was. It was just a small and very, very busy, lots of people there, but it was a insignificant competition for me personally. It was just one to gain experience, and it was actually very good practice, because there were 39 divers in my event. I was start number 37. So it was very good practice, because when you come to World Champs, there's going to be like 50 plus divers there, and per dive they will take a little bit longer, so the competition will be even longer, the wait in between dives will be even longer. So it was good prep to try out those dives with that longer break in between, and see what I'd learned from the last 4 years, because that is something I really struggled with before. As I say, the competition didn't go great, but thinking back to 2014, I went to Shanghai and I didn't do as well as I wanted to do there, and that really affected me. I was very, very upset after that competition, but it made me learn from my mistakes. I could see during the event what I did wrong and what I could have done better, so I took that, learned from it, and improved competition on competition and changed what needed to be changed, and slowly it got better. This time I'll just do the same thing. I'm using a new set of dives, and it's not about doing well every single competition, because in reality that doesn't happen. I'm not going to hide what actually happens, because it's a story and it's a journey for the next few years, and that's what I want from these videos. So anyway, here are my dives.
Free position. Four and a half, 5.5, 5.5, 5.5.
yeah, that's it. As you can see, made a couple of very key mistakes, which meant that I dropped way down the standings. But it happens in diving, and I will learn from my mistakes going into Canada, which is in 2 weeks' time. There I'll probably be using very similar dives. I've got 2 more options to put in compared to the comp that you just saw, because they were different conditions, and whether it goes well or badly in Canada, I will still document it and I will still let you know my thoughts on it, because this is something for me to look back on as well. Even going into competitions in the future, I can look back on these videos of my dives and see what I learned from it and use that to help me move forward.